So what you're looking at here is what I'm going to call phase one of Third Ear Productions Revitalized. You know, we bought this property about 3 years ago, and one of the reasons was there was this barn here, and I'm like, all right, this is a perfect place to rebuild my studio. So that's kind of what's happening now. About 3 weeks ago, had a crew here, and they redid the barn roof and put new gutters on. That door frame where that white door is needs to be redone still, but today they're pouring cement into that bastard. So they're laying the floor, and at least the base of the floor, and you can see it's completely unfinished in here. So when I actually get around to finishing this sucker around springtime, maybe I'll do a little bit throughout the winter, but mostly it's going to be in the spring, and I'll be able to do it right because it's completely unfinished in there. So that's that, and I just wanted to show you a little bit. So that's all for now. Later.